And we are playing
Ratchet and Clank.
Ratchet and Clank.
The brand new one. Well, it's not brand new for us, but we're trying a new game. So you think it is?
Oh my god, this is
Which one, Chris?
normal. You know what? We're a beast. We're going on hard.
Yeah. Ooh, that's
Felden.
beautiful.
As you can see up there, Felden.
Yeah.
By the way, guys, I have the perfect
guys.
grip on this.
Every game for Ratchet and Clank starts on that.
Hold on,
On that planet.
Hold on, Anya. Okay, guys, we are back.
I want to skip this. Is it okay if I skip this?
You know where it is?
So I am
I'm going to
Ratchet.
press the thingy thing on
This
Ratchet.
is Ratchet, guys. He's an alien thing. Hi.
Too close for the camera.
And this is the ship.
Pretty sucky.
No, put it down. Put it down a little bit there.
Work
No,
up.
put it down.
I got the perfect grip.
So this is our ship right here. I'll go back so you can see it. And this is that guy. I don't know his name. So this is what you need to do. So I did that. And now
Look up. You see something flashing? It's a miracle. Onto the afterburner light. This thing might just be space-worthy after all. One more to the right.
I hate this part.
The news says the trials are right now at the fairground. Show 'em what you got, kid.
Yay, I'm free! I'm free! So, and my favorite one, they have these things, but they're new. These ones was awesome.
Hey guys, you know that old Ratchet and Clank? Like, it's very, very old. And I
and these
loved
are-
it.
Yeah, it was my favorite one.
And mine. You see those games over there? Just, don't pay attention to them.
And some are movies. Some of them. And it's Chris's birthday.
And I'm 9 years old. If you don't know, yesterday I was 8. Today's my birthday.
He's 8. I mean 9. I literally forgot you were 8. I mean 9. And I
Stop
told
saying
you.
8.
I keep forgetting. Hey
You
guys,
can see our
this
bolts
is,
up there and our health.
yeah, we have a ton of bolts.
Going to
That
zoom
we
in
have.
on rail.
Die,
They're ugly. I'm going to zoom out.
And that scared the crap out of me. And that's not bad either, so. Shit.
But guys, what Corey meant by shut it, he meant like, please don't laugh at me. No offense, by the way. We didn't mean to make you.
I love this guy, Captain Gorgie. I love you.
Please
That was
sign my bookie thingy. So please sign my helmet.
Sorry, I act stupid. I always know some. this is where we get our gun.
Wait, no. Turn it around. I want to show. Ooh. That looks sick. Looks way better than the other
So
one.
now I have.
Time to blow stuff up. Oh, wait, I forgot. Guys, let's try to hit that golden goal, which is 1,000 likes.
1,000 likes, baby! Oh, quick!
Oh God, he has a flamethrower. Please don't hurt me. Boom.
I was like, bye. No, I was like, hi. And now, bye. Oh, yeah.
Could be Neil or you.
Oh yeah, we're at the arena.
I know what to do. I'm so scared, though.
Why do? Hold on. I need to get ready because I am. Oh guys, look. That's my slice of cake. That's my melting ice cream. Ice cream. Go sit down.
Ice cream. Hold on.
I am going to sit down.
This is what I'm on.
You want Velden? Corey, sit down. Sit down on the couch.
No, I can't see that.
By the way, oh my God, he has a lot of bullets. 3 more ammo left. Ammo.
So this is how good I am.
I believe that she may have been violated. I know most about it. Now, part of this is right before me and my wife got together, I was
So I won.
Woo!
so when I was staying there,
Gonna go see Captain Cork.
Was it a joke?
No. This one, he's actually very nice.
No, he's a joke.
At the end, he tries to betray us.
Yeah, because he's a joke.
There's a movie dedicated by this.
Yeah. Yeah, we actually watched it. Remember that clip? And Panda Sweet. Remember that? That was awesome. I
Press it down, never mind.
okay. And here's the map. I have to go through. That's me.
Clank. We are at the Warbot factory. Oh, I love Clank. He's my favorite. He's a little robot. Run, 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 run.
So here's a bomb.
Ooh, a bomb.
And I throw it
Kaboom! Okay. Oh, this is a bot. A jump bot.
and I'm sorry. And I sound pathetic.
Oh. Hey, he's coming! Hey, run, 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 run! Hey, that was a very nice. Don't call me Scrap. Middle. Yeah, I'm Clank. Laser beam. Bomb.
Sir Timothy did it.
guys, we are going to beat this one level. Then, I'm sorry, we're going to have to end the video.
Oh yeah, and don't forget to subscribe.
This is salty to me.
Okay? Okay, guys?
They got it. Sorry if the camera is all wobbly. Oh God. We need to go across the bridge. We have to go on the other side. Get the jump button. But
I'm not saying nothing, bro. Take this wrong way to hand. Just make sure you charge it.
get the jump button.
Oh, that.
Okay, here's the button. 1, 2, 3, boom.
Oh, why did I not see that? I forgot.
I want to quickly go through a couple things. One, he claims that he had a sexual relationship with me. So you said that
I hate these parts.
Oh God. Ah, he's coming. He's coming.
discovered that your daughter was originally being assaulted by
Oh God. Oh, we died. Quite do. Clank. Wait, no, is this the same one? Yes, it is. Well, you can talk, I'm not going to. That was so close.
if you fail the slide detector test, which, you know, I believe in, would you be willing as this changed man, as soon as the show's over, if you fail, to go back home and turn yourself into the police? I was me telling anything about being the lawyer there would have been that's your right to have a lawyer. Go to your lawyer and say, we need to go down to the police department.
How could I do it myself?
Okay, guys, if you don't think this is actually the end, it's the end. So, hold on, after this cutscene. Actually, guys, we're going to have to end the video here.